Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for the opportunity. First of all, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Asri Radhitanti from Binus University, and today I would like to present our paper entitled Packaging Redesign to Strengthen MSME AIRA Brand Image as Qualified Chip Snack Home Industry Product. Introduction. Started in 2010, AIRA is still surviving until today, even after the hardship of the COVID-19 pandemic. AIRA main business is producing various kinds of chip snack using Malang Raya's local fresh produce, which fine quality is already widely known. One of the best sellers are the crispy and tasty potato chips made from one of the best types of potatoes grown in the fertile land of Malang Raya. Another AIRA specialty is that they are only using natural ingredients, no chemical involved for processing nor seasoning. They also have a special coating technique so the chips remains crunchy, not sticky even covered by seasoning. Problem identifications and proposed solutions. Our team discovered that public still has less awareness about AIRA specialty, while AIRA themselves have a vision to be known nationally as a qualified industry. On the other hand, one important effective media for branding is packaging. But AIRA's product packaging itself had not treated optimally yet. Therefore, our proposed solution is to carry out an assistance program for AIRA's packaging redesign to improve their branding. Packaging design as part of MSME branding. Klimchuk and Sandra in 2007 stated that packaging is a creative design work that combines shapes, materials, colors, images, typography, and design elements, which includes product information so that it can be marketed. While Julian in 2014 mentions some packaging's function regarding to branding and marketing. Hamka in 2021 stated that visual elements on packaging need to be managed creatively so that the packaging looks attractive to help building brand image. And these are the 7 visual elements of packaging stated by Hamka that must be managed creatively. Ramadina and Mugiono in 2022 told that attractive product packaging greatly influences consumers' purchasing decisions. AIRA packaging redesign process. Our team implemented the design process by Lapton, which included 3 stages. First, defining the problem, second, getting ideas, and third, creating form. On the first stage, we did a visual analysis on AIRA's existing packaging. There are 4 packaging, and we implemented a matrix column and put the 7 visual elements mentioned by Hamka to be the indicator. And we found out that in general, visual elements on all the packaging design have not been arranged optimally aesthetically to meet the principles of packaging design. Existing packaging designs have not optimally shown the product quality and brand competency. Design system between each variant's packaging have not been applied well. This made each variant look separated from different producers. This condition definitely would disrupt efforts in forming a strong brand image. The second stage was getting ideas. We made a creative concept for the redesign package, and first of all, we decided who will be the target audience. Target audience of this project are women, aged 22 till 27 years, appreciating qualified local products and wouldn't mind spending more money to get those qualified quality products. Overall, the tone and manner applied on the creative concept is young, fresh, exclusive. Young is to represent the youthful spirit of the target audience, fresh to represent the quality fresh ingredients used in AIRA products, and exclusive to represent AIRA as a qualified product. The third stage is creating form. This is the stage where we made a prototype of the packaging. So these are the final redesigns packaging for AIRA. First of all, the bestseller, which is the keripik kentang original. As you see, this is the front and the back side of the packaging. We still implement the green color, but we change the photography and the typeface and also the label. The same layout was applied on the other packaging, but we use different colors. The colors were decided after the flavor and the variant. This is the third one, and this is the fourth. Conclusion. So packaging design should not only be aesthetic, but also communicative in representing the product's brand image. Aesthetically, in helping the product becomes more visible, thus has a greater selling power, while communicatively representing the product quality and brand competency. Packaging design that applies a system of visual elements, both in shapes and placement, and then applied consistently between product variants within one brand will strengthen the brand image. Consumers will see a consistent visual style between variants, making the product more visible. Results of this program are expected to strengthen AIRA's brand image to attract more potential consumers so that AIRA becomes much more productive and economically independent. Thank you.